What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel, Buy the Dip. That's right, guys. We are back talking about that ticker, ALF, talking about Alfie. That's right. We're going to go ahead and go over some great information today. And before we do, hit the thumbs up. Check out the links down below. If you like the tea, there's a Teespring link down there as well. So, guys, first we're going to go off here just by checking out the chart. And we ended the day yesterday at 1669, looking pretty phenomenal. There is huge volume of this stock. As you can see, like 3.4 million. And these are 5-minute blocks. I mean, over 2 million, 1 million, just crazy volumes of stuff right there. And we're going to go over a lot of things we need to know about ALF and go over some great details on it. So, guys, hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, smash a thumbs up and let's get to it. The first thing we're going to cover is this article that's out here on the investor place, ALF stock, 7 things to know as a retail investor. Squeeze Alfie higher. That's right. Here's what's driving the shares of ALF stock higher today. As you can see, the stock was up when he did his article 35%, and it went from $3 up to $17 on the time of this article. And as you can see here, the company's extremely high level of short interest was currently around 34%, provides a short squeeze thesis retail investors need to pile into this name. Indeed, it appears the stock is squeezing as we speak. And down here, the 7 things we need to know as ALF stock investors. ALF is a AI stock, artificial intelligence stock, which is a software as service SaaS business model. ALF has only been publicly traded for 2 months. The company came via public, highly anticipated IPO on May the 3rd. At the time, the shares were listed at $4.15. Despite dropping below a $3 this month, the shares have since rallied to a 3-bagger for early investors. A recent share buyback announcement sent shares higher this week. Since then, it appears retail traders have jumped aboard, driving the shares of ALF stock to an all-time high of more than $20 on today. And that was published, I think, 2 days ago. And if we go here and look at the Fintel website and check out the current short volume, this was updated yesterday on 6/25. The short volume was 24.1 million shares of a market volume of 89.8 million. Gives us a short volume ratio of 27%. So this thing is still very heavily shorted. At that time the article was 34%, now we're down to 27%. Maybe shorts are like, we better start getting in here and covering. As you heard in there, they did do a share buyback up to 2 million shares, I believe. And that way people could just rebuying them back. So that way they're not on the market for people to short. So when the shorts have to cover, there's nothing on the market to cover, which drives the price up. Which is why, my Torch family, they did that the 2-for-1 split. So they're taking shares, a 1-for-2 split. So they're taking shares off the market in a reverse split. So that is truly phenomenal. And the share buyback is only going to hurt the shorts as well. So I truly like what I'm seeing here with Alfie. All right, and I just wanted to show you this here. Here is the official announcement on Yahoo Finance. Alfie announced a 2 million share repurchase program. This was published on June 23rd, which was Wednesday. And down here it says that they are committed to enhancing shareholder value in approaching this objective with a firm belief and respect to our shareholder base, said Paul, the CEO of Alfie. In keeping with this objective, we are announcing a stock repurchase program of up to 2 million. We're a young company with a big opportunity to grow and increase our valuation. Our balance sheet has benefited from the exercise of some of the warrants associated with our IPO, and our conviction in the future of prospects make this appropriate time to repurchase stock and return capital to the shareholders. Now that is phenomenal news. That is stuff you want to see, guys. That there is like, we love this CEO already. So I'm glad that we did bring this back on the channel. I was doing this back, first time I brought it up, as you can see here, was on the 24th, so just 2 days ago. This was the video right here. This ALF stock was brought to me by one of you guys, the viewer. His name was Pop. And he said, Terry, man, you got to go check out this stock. And literally, guys, the first day I covered this stock, it was $12.85. I was showing that there was over 8,000 people currently watching ALF on there. And I think it was 8,200 people, and now it's like 8,800 on the stock twits. And as you can see down here, this stock hit over $20 after the day I did that video. Now, I'm not saying my video caused that, but I'm just saying the squeeze literally happened. If you would have came in at market, the pre-market, or right when the market opened, you could have bought in and got those 30 to 50% gains on that. And that would have been super exciting. As you see right now here, ALF is at 8,803 people on the stock twits. And there is a gentleman on here that has some great due diligence. And I wanted to kind of go over this and put it in this video for ALF because I think it is just truly phenomenal information. Here it is. ALF, this is a multi-billion-dollar company in the making. And here is my man's due diligence. It has 4.3 million public float. The CEO turned a company on the verge of bankruptcy to a billion-dollar enterprise in less than 2 years. No offerings. Let me get it back up here. No offerings intend to be cash positive within. No offerings. They intend to be cash positive with the current cash on hand. They have 800 cabs in England to install. Alfie is a 9 million revenue annually. They have non-kiosk in Belfast airports exceeding 5 million revenue annually. They have 20 to 30,000 screens installed in Uber and Lyft driver cars. Miami is the first of many major cities to roll out. They have 600 companies waiting in on advertisement already. Brazil's is the biggest OOH company. Choose Alfie to start installing their SaaS solution on their screens at airports, bus stations, starting at Sao Paulo. They have 3 million in revenue for the test contract, over 10,000 screen potential. Just announced the $2 million rebuy of the share. Harry says it's a game changer. We're already seeing it with the demands from the major advertisement agencies, said Ron, the CRO of Alfie. So thank you there. This was by Bergini on StockTwits. Thank you for that due diligence. This is one I do believe that is kind of hanging under the radar, and this has potential to go higher. It really does. With them buying back more shares, they're taking them off the market. This thing is currently sitting at, I think it was 27% short volume right now. By that article, it was still 30 some, and now it's like 20 some. So it's a very high short interest. I don't know where it's going to go, of course. I don't have a crystal ball, but the short squeeze potential is there. And I just wanted to put this on your radar, guys. I'm not here to tell you to buy anything. But as you can see, this thing has had some crazy, crazy volume. And, you know, here in the early days, it was, 3 million, 2 million, 1 million. This thing was buying up like crazy during the short squeeze. So I'm super excited about this one. I currently do not have this in my position, but I just want to bring it out there and put it on everyone's radar. And I do have some other stocks I'm going to cover here over the weekend, going into next week, plus keeping you all up to date with Torch, everything going on with the merger and with MMAT and everything. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up. And if you don't hit it for me, do it for Alf back there. He's back there. Alf is giving the thumbs up. That's right. Alf is giving us the thumbs up on this one. He's saying this is a good one. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip. And baby, let's go.